last video, my friends, we explored Chanakya's structured approach to setting and achieving goals, breaking down big ambitions into manageable, actionable steps. But here's a question for you. What if you could have a toolkit, a set of proven techniques to turn any strategy into a success? In today's video, we'll dive into the tools and techniques that Chanakya used to shape his legendary plans, methods that still power strategic thinking today. Chanakya's approach was remarkably tactical. He didn't just dream up strategies. He developed practical tools that helped him execute those strategies with precision. One of key techniques of Chanakya was SWOT analysis, centuries before the term even existed. He would systematically assess the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats associated with his plans, carefully evaluating both internal and external factors. This holistic approach is still the foundation of strategic planning in modern organizations, helping leaders make well-rounded decisions. Another essential tool Chanakya championed was competitive intelligence gathering. He believed in knowing his rivals deeply, their motivations, strengths, and vulnerabilities. Today, we see this mirrored in market analysis, where companies study their competition closely to understand market trends and predict strategic moves. Imagine the edge you could have if you knew your competitors' moves before they even made it. Chanakya's competitive intelligence approach shows us just how powerful this can be. Chanakya also valued scenario planning, where he developed multiple possible outcomes for each decision. By thinking through best case, worst case, and most likely scenarios, he could prepare responses for every situation. This proactive strategy mirrors modern contingency planning, helping leaders prepare for unexpected turns. Additionally, he relied on resource allocation techniques, knowing how to wisely distribute his resources to maximize efficiency and reduce waste. Today, effective resource allocation is essential, especially in business operations and project management, where leaders must prioritize time, money, and talent to optimize results. Imagine having each resource precisely where it's needed, not a single step misplaced. Chanakya's resource allocation strategy is a timeless reminder of the importance of efficiency. These tools and techniques Chanakya developed for strategic planning demonstrate his brilliance in execution. From analyzing strengths and weaknesses to preparing for all possible outcomes, his methods continue to shape strategic thinking worldwide. Thank you for joining me today, my friends. In the next video, we'll look at case studies of successful strategic planning in modern businesses, analyzing real-world applications of this age-old principles in today's corporate world. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned. And these insights are also featured in my book on Chanakya's timeless teachings that was recently launched on 7th of March. See you in the next video.